Hello, and how are you doing? It's so exciting to be coming to you again with great information. And thank you to all my new subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed, just click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because, like I promised you, a new relocation video will be coming very, very soon, and you should be the first to know because I'll be talking about a lot of secrets and I'll be showing a lot of um, process through that journey and how it came to pass. So, I just want to talk to you about five important websites you must visit before you relocate. And like I've said in my previous video, in my relocation video, and how I relocated my family, and whole lot more video of this on the channel. If you have not watched any of this video, this is a good time to just search through the entire channel and take your time and go through all of them. Of course, they will benefit you if you have any thoughts on relocation and anything around that. So once you are considering relocation, I'm advising, strongly advising that these five websites should be visited, considered before you make that move because it's a life changing decision. So, these five websites will give you an insight into the country you are going to, especially specifically, you can narrow it down to the city. Um, and the number one website is called Numbeo, and this site will give you so lots of information about the city. For instance, you see cost of living. You can get cost of living, food prices. You can get prices for properties. You can even see the quality of life, crime index, healthcare, pollution, traffic. I'm sure these are some of the decisions that you would have arrived at that would make you be relocating. So why not actually compare? You also are able to compare with the city you are coming from to the city you are going to, and see if it's really worth it. So in this age and time where we have technology at our disposal, it would be wrong for us to make life-changing moves when we have tools at our hand to pre-inform us of what we should expect. So I'll be giving you maybe for an example. You are going to London in the UK. So you just come here and select United Kingdom, and then you say London, and the page will just give you so many information. Say family of four estimated monthly cost is at £3,090 without rent. A single person estimated monthly cost is at £996.6. London is 75.8% more expensive. You see statistics, restaurants, estimated cost of the goods they sell. You see market prices, you see transportation costs, you see utilities, you see sport and leisure, you see child care. Imagine a international primary school yearly for one child, 18, about just slightly above £80,000. Clothing and shoes, rent per month, buy apartment price if you want to buy, if you're into real estate, salary and financing. It just gives you an whole. I think it's a very interesting insight that you get, and it's well updated, and so know how to plan yourself, plan your family, plan everything that is making you relocate, and of course compare with other cities. If not with your current city, you're able to make informative decisions. With that being said, we'll be moving on to the second one, and this will give you city data. To give you city data, you will get to see population size. So let's take Alabama for instance. You are going to the United States. It will give you different counties within it. You see the population size, so you are able to decide which region, which area you stay. If you like areas that are densely populated or sparsely populated, this will just give you a bigger oversight so that you can make your decisions. Okay, you can also see schools that are in and around that place, the neighborhood, and other information. So it's going to come to you very handy. And then the third one is called Yep. And depend. So if, for instance, you are going to Toronto, Canada, You just type in the name of the city. You're able to get restaurant um, in that region. You are, if it's home service you're looking for electricians, home cleaners, movers, plumbers. You're able to get contacts, auto service repair. You see, it more or less it comes to you. You're able to get even gym location, dry cleaning, phone repair. It comes off like you've been living in the city for a long time because you have a lot of information at your disposal. So immediately you are touching down at this new location, you already have lots of information. So disposal, you know where to go to, you know how to move around, how to navigate, and then the fourth website, it's of course jobs. There's very few people will be relocating and not have job as one of the reasons why they are relocating. So you can use Indeed. Indeed is global. This will give you an overview of currently available jobs, and mostly available jobs, both remote and on-site and whatnot. Um, yeah, so it will be a good site for you to start your job hunting from. I'm sure you'll be able to get either through agencies or direct contact. Last but not least, website you must check before you should travel, relocate, are for real estate lovers. So you want to buy, you want to rent, you want to sell, you want to loan homes. This is your agent finder. This is Zillow is your best go-to website. So this will give you an overview of what it is in that neighborhood, in that area, what it is to buy, rent, sell, loan, get agent, mortgage, whatever it is. And yeah, this should make you more informed. So basically, going to a region you have no prior information about, or you also want to get confirmation of whatever somebody is telling you about, it's good that this website will put everything into perspective for you. So I urge you, before you make that move, whether you're going alone, whether you're going with your family, these five websites, put them into consideration, and they will help you make insightful decision. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Remember to share, subscribe, and turn your notification bell. Your comments are highly appreciated. I'll see you in the next video.